This is POCO X5 Pro, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set up the VPN connection on this device. So to start, we will need to download the free and convenient application from the Play Store that is called Turbo VPN. So now let's wait for it to be downloaded. It's a fairly lightweight application, only 22 megabytes of space it occupies. So as you can see, it gets downloaded and installed in no time. So then open the app, tap at the agree and continue button over here, wait for the application to get loaded or to load itself. Then once you're ready to connect your device to VPN, tap at the caret icon over here. Then wait for the VPN connection to be established. As you can see, it was successfully established by this little indicator at the status bar. While at it, you can change the server or even the country that you are connected to. So let's say I'll reconnect myself to the United Kingdom per se. Once you are done with whatever is the task that you needed the VPN for, just tap at this cross sign and go for the disconnect option. Alrighty, so that would be it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.